Well, hello. This is Williams, Philippines. Been an interesting day. It is coming up on 12 o'clock noon on November 13th, 2024. I managed to get my friend over here to load him up with a bunch of stuff and get my cats caught and put in carriers and out the door. I'm going to miss them. I've had those cats for a good 4 years. So, yeah. But, yeah. They're going to a place where I know the man loves cats. Him and his wife have about a dozen of them. So, adding 2 more in over there, yeah, he'll take care of them. They'll definitely have a good home there. But I am going to miss them. Kind of lonely in the house right now. Anyway, had a bit of a moving around, a lot of exercise this morning, getting a few things packed up and getting his car loaded up when he got it here and out the door. Got him a couple inverters, yeah, a bunch of things, this, that, and the other, some tools. And on top of that, I got him out the door with a couple of guns. So it's like Merry Christmas. More stuff out of the house, which is a good thing. Every time I turn around, I'm getting rid of a little bit more stuff. Got out a few different radios. So I'm down to my 2 meter, 4 meter, or 2 meter 170. Shit, I'm too tired to even think right now. I should be getting ready to go to bed, and that's what I'm going to do after this, because I've been up all night. But got him a digital radio, got him just a regular analog, and got him an even older one than that. He'll have fun trying to figure out how to program that one. And you got him out of here with one of my ammo cans with some radios in it. He also got a 10 meter. He's another ham radio operator. So, yay. Means I'll get some, or somebody will get some good use out of my radios. He does more on the little bitty handhelds, but he's got a 10 meter now. Those things can actually reach out. You can hit the country with those things. So, yay. He'll have to get an antenna made up for it, but that's a whole nother issue. So, yeah. Thank you, my friend. And I found out my aunt now has found my channel and was questioning me about my third phone number. I was mentioning I plan on having, I at one time had 3 phone numbers. I got rid of one of them because it wasn't a good company. But I got rid of it, and yay, it's gone. But I also have a setup for a MeshNet phone. Works off of Wi-Fi routers, so it's Wi-Fi calling, and has a number there set up to. It's a weird thing, but yeah, and I'm not even sure if it still works. I haven't added it to my new router here, so it probably does still work. I just need to add it into this router and add this router into the net. I haven't got that far. I'm doing other things. But it is one of those things that can be done. I doubt I'll do it again. It is what it is. Anyway, it has been a fairly interesting day. A bunch of stuff got out of here and gone. And, yeah. I'm going to need to try and call and talk to my niece and my nephew. Yeah. Probably won't be today. Quite honestly, I'm thinking I'm going to try to go to sleep, even though I don't have to get up and go to work tonight. I really don't feel like being awake right now. It is what it is. Oh. I got to eat something. Besides peanuts. And I've seen several times that they have people over there selling peanuts. I love peanuts. Oh wait, peanut. Yeah. There's a squirrel named Peanut that there's a bit of a, yeah. Some people are not happy with some idiots in government being idiots in government that want to, goose step into people's lives. Well, I don't like government. I admit that. As far as I'm concerned, the less government, the better the world is. But hey, you can have your opinion too. We all got one. But when they get to the point that they come into people's houses and kill little animals because they are stupid and want to go attack a small animal and then wonder why it bites them. Oh, that's right. Couldn't possibly be an animal that might have already had a rabies shot. I don't know if they did or not, but they're trying to pretend that they killed it because after they attacked it, it bit them in self-defense, and then they go ahead and kill it, claiming that they need to kill it so they can test it for rabies. If anybody needs to have a situation arise in their life signs because of rabies, I think it's the idiots that attacked a little squirrel. To me, they sound like they're the rabid ones that might have rabies. Just my thought on it. Yeah. Yeah, I heard that and it was irritating. I feel for the man that had his squirrel, and they also got his raccoon from an animal sanctuary or, recovery place, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Because, hey, what good is government for if it's not to goose step into your life and terrorize you and little animals? Well, as far as I'm concerned, I hope they suffer the same fate as Peanut. Yeah. But doubtful. Because, well, too many people think it probably was a good idea to go attack a man because of a squirrel in his house. Choices. I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird that way. We were put on the planet to, take care of it, do good with it, and then to see some idiots doing stupid. And we're supposed to be nice to the stupid people? Why? I mean, seriously, why? Hey, I hope they dance in the middle of the road, because I am praying for the bumpers on that one. Go ahead, dance, please, idiots. Anyway, I should be more peaceful about that. It's not anywhere near here. But hey, it's growing up and getting and infecting more and more places with stupid. I think it was up in New York somewhere. It is a problem. Government keeps growing to the point that it wants to attack people for having pets because they think they have the right to. Well, they don't. They have no rights. They're government. The only thing they have is what we give them. Yet they're usurped it and they're trying to kill us with it. I'm sorry. And this is all over picking up a package of peanuts and remembering that there was a squirrel named Peanut. Well, blessings to the man who was raising the squirrel. That and the raccoon. I don't remember the raccoon's name. Sorry about that. But, yeah. Blessings and condolences on your loss. Anyway, get into a brighter area. With a few more things gone, I might actually be closer to being able to get the front living room emptied out enough to actually start trying to put down some tile on the floor. Getting closer. And I actually made up, I gave them a bunch of, what do you call it? First aid gear. I got a bunch of that. I probably should have went into the other room and got some more. He got here as I was finishing up in that area. And, I forgot to get him some more of I had a couple other of the, what do you call them? Raspberry pies I was going to give him. But I forgot about them. Yeah, life happens. He got out of here with a bunch of stuff that's good anyway. A water filter. And, yeah. Berkey water filter. Yeah, it's a good water filter. It just is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day. I hope your work week's going good for you. I hope you're getting to have a lot of good food. Speaking of food, I'm going to go get some because I'm getting hungry. Anyway, later blessings and bye-bye. I'm Williams Philippines, and I'm Fish. And hey, Fish is out.